Hey YouTube, JB Schmel here, coming to you again with the second video today. For one, right now I'm bored. I'm hopefully gonna have plans in a little bit, hopefully. But the reason why I'm here is I just did a video on my knives and that new tobacco black Parrot that I said I was gonna be trying soon. Guess what? I am. And I have to say, I really like it. The reason why I really like it, it combines Grey Havens and Christmas cheer all in one. It seems like it's really mellow, but it's a little stronger in my opinion than Grey Havens. Not by much. Sorry, I had to shut the gate. But, I think it combines a little bit of both of those, to this black Parrot. Now, it has more paprika in it, but it, balances out really well. And I'm enjoying it in, Kentucky number 9, I believe. Kentucky 43. By Miss Brog. Got this on. I showed you guys this. Made out of pear wood. One of my, other favorite types. But yeah, it's really good. And my top favorite. So relaxing. Sorry. Yeah. So yeah. I am definitely enjoying this. Now, if you like paprika and a good balance, then I would try this. I'll see you guys later. Bye.